do I have something special, hot, and delicious for you today. A review of Che Gourmet. Che Gourmet is known, absolutely known, for their kimchi. I present to you the best kimchi in town. Yeah! And when I'm talking about town, I'm talking about South African town. Unfortunately, not available overseas yet. Sorry, Derek, from the States. So yummy! Okay, let's get into it. Why am I absolutely obsessed with Che Gourmet? Firstly, I've got a whole range of products here that I will be showing you and getting into. But first, who is Che Gourmet? Why should you love it? And why should you stick around? You should stick around because I have a great recipe coming at the end. Why should you love it? It's because Che Gourmet is local. They make kimchis, well known for the kimchis, and then other krauts, pickled food, seasonings, like just think condiments, delicious condiments from exotic places all over the world, brought to you from a local company. And then the second reason why you need to love them, it's completely sugar-free, preservative-free, no colorants, none of the bad stuff. And I'm just gonna say that again, sugar-free condiments. That's a scarcity in this world. Okay. And the reason why, you know, we love condiments is because of all that sugar, and that sugar is so addictive. Now, my dad is a massive condiment lover, but also the sugar content is not good for his health. So I was so happy when I found Che Gourmet, because finally I can give him condiments that we have no guilt about, because it is actually beneficial, because there's none of the bad stuff. Yay. A third reason why you need to love them is because it's run by a female, a woman, named Che, and it's got a personal story about how she traveled the world. From the local people in their homes, she learned how to make these recipes. So she's brought back the authentic recipes from Asia, from South America, all the little places where she went on her travels, and that is reflected in the abundance and variety of products that she offers. Last little reason is because we love the packaging. Packaging is important, and we only have glass bottles, so it's plastic free, still looking after the environment. Yeah! So let's get into reviewing a selection of products that I have. Like I said, there's more. Go check out the website, there's even more. First up is yummy. Kimchi is well known for its benefits on the gut, but you know, after speaking to Che, the research that's gone into her products, she is so specific about which herbs and spices she uses, which salts, what happens when you combine this salt and that spice, and what that means for the body's absorption and health benefits. So there's so much more to these products than just being absolutely delicious. I'm gonna chat about the products in the order that I most like them. Kimchi was number one. Number two is carrot cake kraut. Yummy. This is like dessert, basically, in a kraut. Have you ever even considered that kraut could be a dessert? This is gonna blow your mind. So it's got the cinnamon and the walnuts and the raisins, and like it has that little bit of fermenty twang to it, but not very strong because of the other spices. And the carrot obviously also makes it sweet. So it does still, it's a kraut, so it does still have the cabbage in it, but it really is more of a dessert. So you can have this with bobotie. I've already had it with bobotie, it's delish. And also think sweet potato, put this on top, bananas, almond butter. You see where I'm going with this? Okay, so it's number two because it's basically like dessert. Number three feels like a tie to me, so it's like between two, but anyway, okay. It's the chimichurri. So let's go to Argentina and add this to your delicious steak, ethical sourced steak. It is so yummy, and it's nice and handy to just have this in the fridge. Because usually I'd make these chimichurri from scratch because I don't want the preservatives. So that is solved. It was a tie, the chimichurri was a tie with the mustard, kimchi mustard. How insane. We've got like carrot, radish, ginger, so delish. I kind of have a special request for Che. Like, I wish you could have more mustards. Like, love the kimchi mustard, but like, can there be another range of mustards? That would be great. Let's get into the hot sauce. So this is a lacto fermented hot sauce. You gotta give it a little bit of a shake because you'll see that after a while it separates, the ingredients separate, because obviously there's no bad stuff in it to make it stick. And this can just substitute your Tabasco or just any hot sauce for your pizzas, for, you know how it goes with hot sauce. You just put it on anything. We've got anything. Here we have the gochujang. I hope I said it right. This is like a paste. It's a South Korean paste that goes into a lot of dishes. So it's like a chili paste. It's sticky and sweet. Actually using this, my recipe coming next. So stay tuned for that. But before that, the last product, ocean kraut. What's really nice about the ocean kraut, so it's very krauty. It's very much, you know, your cabbage kraut, which gives that nice twang to your food. But then it's mixed with some seaweed, so it's got all the benefits. The kraut is really great for nutrients in your body, probiotic, prebiotic, and I love all the minerals that comes in this one because of the seaweed, the sea kelp, what do you say? It's in here. So it's got like a big mineral boost those systems. Let's get into the kimchi fried rice. Literally easy, number one, and number two, so delicious. So delicious. My dad has now requested that whenever he eats rice with anything in the future, it has to be kimchi fried rice. Let's go there. Here's what you'll need. Delicious kimchi, the gochujang, which is the authentic chili paste, vegetable oil, and sesame oil. Start by heating your oils, the regular vegetable oil, and then we add in the delicious sesame oil. I start by frying the kimchi because I want that delicious cooked kimchi flavor to develop. And then after that, I will add in the chili paste. The rice used for this dish is a Jasmine rice. They say usually if it's a day old, it's better, but I just used it immediately. Season with some salt and then chop in some spring onion. Very traditional for kimchi. And now we put an egg on top and you have the most delicious, nutritious, yummy rice you've ever had in a meal. And you can add this rice to anything. You can put it with prawns, with chicken, just go crazy. Now all these products are available online, so you can just go click and shop there. Look at the website for retailers. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more conscious updates and content. Love you guys.